Today's video is a little bit different, mostly because I tried something very not typical of my channel. I did a really, as you can tell, bright-eyed, summery inspired makeup look. I did this because I got this palette through a PR package and I tried it and I loved it, and I just wanted to create a cool look with this. I don't normally do bright-eyed looks. I do mostly natural and just easy to wear looks, but something came over me, and I think it's because it's summer and I see all these bright colors everywhere, and I thought, you know what, why not do something fun and cheerful and, you know, bright. And I really liked how this turned out, and I'll show you guys what palette it is. You'll see in the video, but if you want to see how I created this super easy look, just keep watching.
To start, I've already filled in my brows, but I just want to clean up the lines, so I'll be using the Kevyn Aucoin Heavy Duty Concealer. This concealer can cover up almost anything, so I just use a really small amount to make a nice clean line under the brow. The best tip is to use a round, flat brush to make it easier to apply, and then just blend it in so it looks seamless. For this eye look, I'll be using the Run Wild palette by BH Cosmetics and Tina Yong. The colors in this palette really do complement each other. To start, for the base, I'll be applying this bright yellow color called Wild Child all over the lid. The great thing about this palette is that the colors really are buildable, which is nice because you can go heavier if you want to. Then I'll be taking this bright orange color called Juicy for my transition color. Taking my Morphe brush, which guys I just started using and I really love them, I'll be working this on the outer and inner corners of the eyes. I find this technique when applying eyeshadow really works with Asian eyes or if you don't have deep set eyes. Then taking the color Sky High, which has a bit of shimmer to it, I'm going to apply this to the middle of the lid to make the colors pop out. Going down the line, I'll be taking the color Dusk to accentuate the inner and outer corners again to add another dimension of color. Sometimes you just have to play with a few colors to get the look you want. Then taking the color No Limit, I'm going to really deepen those areas again to create the illusion of a socket. I love how easy to use this palette was. I used the first row of colors basically to create this eyeshadow look. Since this is already quite a bright eye, I'm not gonna line it with black liner. Instead, I'll be using the Nudestix Matte Eye Pen in Chocolate to line the upper lash line, and then I'll also lightly go over the bottom lash line as well. Then taking a little flat brush, I'm going to blend this liner into the lash line so it looks seamless. Now it's time to curl the lashes and apply a few coats of mascara. I find that mascara definitely helps with this kind of look. I don't want it to be too overpowering, that's why I opted out of the black liner, but I think this is the perfect subtle bright eye. One eye is done, now I'm going to finish off the other eye. Also, this is totally off topic, but we decided to film this in the living room instead of our regular spot. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I thought it was time to switch up the background, so if you like it, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Alright, let's finish off this look. First, I'll be using the Guerlain Terracotta Light Highlighter Stick to give the high points of the face a lit from within glow. Taking my IT Cosmetics complexion brush, which I love, I'm going to blend this all in. I like this because it gives that undertone of highlight, which really gives the skin that nice pop. Now for foundation, I'll be using the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Longwear High Cover Foundation. I love this foundation. It just gives a really lovely airbrush look. Taking my Morphe 439 brush, I'm going to blend this foundation in all over the face. I've been using this brush every time I apply foundation because it's just amazing. Following that, I'll be using the Covergirl Trublend UnderCover Concealer to hide any dark circles, redness around the nostrils, and any other areas where I think a little bit of concealer would help. Then taking a beauty blender, I'm just going to blend the concealer in so that it matches the foundation and skin is looking flawless. Now for contouring, I've been in love with the Huda Beauty Contour and Bronzer Cream in Fair. Taking my Morphe M405 brush, I'm going to blend this contour to create the illusion of cheekbones. I love that this color is not too dark, but not too light, just the perfect tone for my skin color. It gives the most natural looking chiseled cheekbones. Now for blush, I've been using the Fresh Sugar Orchid Tinted Lip Treatment. It's technically for the lips, but I love using products for all different things, so I'll be taking a blush brush and just gently picking up some product onto the brush and applying this to the cheeks for a rosy flush. This color looks really intense, but on the skin, it's beautiful. And lastly, to complete this look, I'll be using the Stila Beauty Boss Lip Gloss in Empowering for the Lips. that is a mouthful. I wanted something that would match the eyes but nothing too dark. This color has a beautiful light coral color along with a bit of shimmer to really add to this whole look, and now we're done. I have no idea what to call this look, so comment below with your best caption for this look and I'll pin the ones that really stand out. Thanks for watching and I hope you liked it.
So guys, there you have it. This is my summer-inspired, bright-eyed makeup look. I really don't know what to call this video. I just decided to create it and I wanted to do something really fun with the eyes, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and like how this turned out. If you did, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. I love you guys. Have a wonderful weekend and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye for now!